He's been sloppy with the football, Drake May. So if Stidham can just not have a lot of turnovers and play decent, then we got a chance. Again.
Intervention spécialisée. Yep, same posted police. Sick. That guy almost got ran over. Yep. Sick. Right, that's correct.
When you're marching, normally breaks down into two pieces and they kind of throw it over their shoulder for marching. A minute to put it back together.
One undercover officer who sat right next to Matt and Angela and who made a game-changing observation.
One of the things that the detective noticed
Penske with my uncle racing there, and Dan Luganbuehl, who was Roger Penske's right-hand guy for had to be 30 years or more, had become a pretty close friend, and he knew that I was coming up through the ranks, you know, doing the Indy Light stuff, dabbling in IndyCar.
Video protected.
Americans a silver Nissan, it looks like it's a Murano, but like a Road, a 5 Echo Hotel 371. I don't know what in the world they've been doing. They were first riding my butt, and they passed me in the double solid lines. Yeah, Nissan silver SUV, and when they passed me on the solid doubles, and then they started waving a gun at me, they are headed up east 129 now from...